I will pay $100 to everyone able to answer. The questions are easy, general culture, and the answer may be from the school books. If you can read, you should be able to find an answer and to get $100 out of your school books. If you fancy $100, you have a good reason to answer. I like to be clear. This is not a joke. This is not for fun. It's not a lottery. It's not a competition. Everybody is welcome to participate, and I will pay $100 to everyone able to provide a reasonable, not contradictory with itself, and documented answer. You may ask for suggestion, relative, friends and stranger. You may ask professors, journalists and school books editors. You may check the library and turn the library upside down. You may ask the university specialized institutes, and you may blog to find help from the internet. Everything is valid. Whatever help is permitted. I will pay you $100 for every reasonable documented answer. The only exception is for the answer I have already published and documented in my videos. Repeating the answer from my videos is not accepted. Out of this, everything is valid and I will pay everyone. I do repeat, I will pay $100 to everyone with a reasonable, not contradictory with itself and documented answer.